you can see over here, this is a flower, right? You all have seen the flowers. So in flower, these part, right, which I am showing you, is called as petals, right? So colorful part is called as petals, and the green leaf like structure which is there below the leaf is called as sepals. Okay, stalk means leaf stand on a one surface is called as stalk, and receptacle means between stalk and a flower itself there is one base like structure on which it stand is a receptacle. Now group of petal, group of petal is called as corolla, and group of sepal is called as calyx. I am writing over here group of sepal calyx and group of petal corolla. So there are two wholes of flower. Whole of flower means two part of flower, right now you understand, calyx and corolla, right? So whatever we have studied, that I am highlighting it to you. We studied this calyx and we studied this corolla. Now what is there inside this structure, right? See this inside structure, right? So this is what you know, calyx and corolla. Now we are moving to inside structure. Now see, in rose you may have seen this type of structures over there. What is this actually? It is a stamen. Stamen means what? It is a stamen. Stamen means what, beta? Stamen means anther and filament both is there in it. So stamen, stamen means it is a male reproductive part. It contains two things, anther and filament. Filament means a long tube-like structure, anther means a bow part. Second one is pistil. Pistil is also known as carpel. There are three parts, stigma, style and ovary. Ovary means like this way, it is like this way and it is like this way. Style, stigma and ovary. Now these are the parts of the flower. So main four part of flower: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, right? Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Calyx means group of sepal, corolla group of petals, androecium group of stamen, gymnosperms group of pistil. Many pistil is called gymnosperms. Now this is the structure of flower. Now what happens is, these flower released one pollen grain, right? So you can see over here this black part, it released a pollen grain. If this pollen grain is taken up by insect and it goes to the another flower into the pistil, it is called as pollination. So what do you mean by first of all pollination? Whenever a pollen grain means a short grain which is released from this tube, right? Here one part is released from this pollen grain part. So this pollen grain, when it releases a pollen to a female reproductive part, gymnosperms, then it is called as pollination. If pollination occurs from one flower to other flower, it is called as cross pollination. If it is occurs to the self, means pollen grain of one flower is released and put to the pistil of itself, then it is a self pollination. So this is about self and cross pollination.